All right, guys, welcome to the Candy channel. All right, so today I'll be showing you how to fix this machine. This is the hand filing electric machine. It uses electric, and because of those of you that have been disturbing my life, hey Candy, please, oh, I don't have to fix this machine. I don't have to connect this machine. I've made a video on this before years ago, but I realized that video is not as clear as it is. It's not as clear as it is. So I just have to just make another video. Okay, so this is the filing machine. It has a lot of compartments, and some of them are something that you will use later on, and so you figure out the so major thing I want to show you is how to fix this machine. All right, this is another part of the machine that you can use to file. I'll show you how to fix this one. So let's work with the main hand filer itself. This is the hand filer itself, and the hand filer has the part where you fix the rotator, where what we use in filing. So this is what we use in filing. This is what you filing. You're gonna fix it here. So you press this down like this. Then I hope you hear the sound. Press it down like this. Fix it here, and you release it, tighten it, and you will not be able to pull it out again. All right, make sure that it's well tight. Can hold it down. Make sure that it is well tight before you release it. Then the next thing you're gonna do is to pick up the size from all this sandpaper here that will fit into this. All right, you can see. So you can see that it's fitting into it. So like I told you that it is electric. So we're going to connect this to the socket. This is the socket I'm using here. Connect this to the socket. All right, and it has a controller. This is the switch. It's the switch, and this is the controller. It has the speed. So the more you increase, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the speed. So when I put this on through the switch, the machine will on. So let me switch it on. And once I switch it on, I control it like this. So let me make sure that it is connected to the light. Okay. I want to make sure that it's connected. And so this is 1. So when it gets to 2, you hear the sound it has increased. So so you just have to, when you switch it on, as you can see, it's hear the sound. All right, so we can increase it and increase it. So it will increase the speed, and this is what I use it for majorly. So we can use it to file. I think, all right, we can use it to file. You can see, look at it, very easy. Instead of you going to your filing machine all the time, and this will work perfectly well for you. Let me take the case aside. Let me just put, okay, let's put this aside a little so that we'll have space to do other things. All right, so let's switch this on. Even just at level 1 is speeding like this, and it's working perfectly well. Look at it. So I don't need to be going up and down to my filing machine. This thing is very, very effective. All shoemakers need to get this machine. It's very, very effective. You need it to, I'm telling you, you need it. So you can use it round to file, or even your soles, the shoe soles, the edges, you can use it to file them. Look at this now. This is what I'm using to file the under of this insole, and it's filing it just like you're in your filing machine, and it's filing it perfectly well. So once you're done, you switch it off, and the sandpapers have extras that you can buy from the market. So when you want to change it, you can change it, and dust this away, and see, look at how it filed it perfectly well. All right, so as you can see, that is it. So let me take this off the. So to remove this, I just press this down, losing it here, or losing it here, and I'll release this out. I press this down, losing it. So that is it for that. Now, how do we make use of the second one? Because we have another one here. This one helps you to extend it in case you want it to get longer. All right, this one. How do we fix this? Now, to fix this, one thing to do is we're going to loosen this place, this cap here. Lose this cap, put it aside for now. Then this side, this particular side, it has two sides. It has this side and it has this side. So this particular side, you're going to hold it. The spring that is coming out here, fix it inside this channel. Fix it inside. And once you fix it, you tighten it. Make sure that it is tight. That it's not removing. You can see it's not removing. Then you screw it. Screw it. Okay. You can see that we have screwed it. So now with this, we have a very long hand filer. So I can extend this now. You can see with the wire, I can extend this. So how do we now use it with this one? Since we have already moved it here. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to fix it to this. That's the filer itself. This sandpaper, the sandpaper screw. We're going to fix it to this place. So to fix it to this place, I'll loosen up this. Once you loosen up this, the mouth here will get open. Then you can put this inside. Then you lock it back. Lock it back. Hold it. You can lock it very well. So you can lock it very well. All right. So you try to remove it to show if it's removing or not. Okay. Let me just. It's not tight yet. Let me make sure that I tighten it very well. Okay. I'm gonna pick up the. I forgot. I'm gonna pick up the Allen key to tighten it. Okay, hold on. So we can pick up the key to tighten it. Okay, there's a particular hole here that we can use to tighten it. So this will help us. Okay. All right, so you can see now. Yeah, so now one thing about this sandpaper is this. Sometimes sandpaper looks so loose. It can look so loose. So most time what I just do is I just take a piece of paper or a cardboard. I fix it in between here like this. So this will help me to tighten it. And I hold it down because sometimes some paper gets loose. So can you see? So we have. So if you. So this is what we have here. Let me loosen this a bit so you'll bring it up a bit. Okay. All right, so there we go. So we need to tighten it back since we already loosed it. All right, so this is what we have. So this also can help us to. So let's connect it back to the socket. Connect it back to the socket. Then you switch it on here. When you switch it on here, maybe can you see? So this will also help you do the same job for filing. I so much love these hand filers. I so much love it because it removes the stress of going up and down on the machine. It takes that away completely. Look at it. Look at it. So you can use it. You can take this box around anywhere you're going. Instead of carrying your bench grinder, you can just take this along and it will do the job for you perfectly well. Look at it. All right. So that is it. That is how to use the hand filing machine. Once you are done, loosen it back, put the Allen key inside, lose it. Once you lose it, this will come out. Then remove the Allen key, tighten it back, unscrew this also, unscrew this. You can see, hold this down. Once you hold this down, this will open up. Then pull this out, then screw it back. Screw it back. Always remember to screw it back, very important. Screw it back. Bring back the case. Put everything back there because you don't want to misplace all these things. These things are very important. You don't want to misplace them at all. So just make sure that you disconnect it from the socket. Put it back. All right. Put it back and we set it. All right, I'm just going to arrange it. So that's how to use the hand filing machine. I hope this solved the whole issue right now and you people will allow me to rest. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you've learned something, please can you just like this video, comment, share, and God will definitely bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead. God bless.